In the era of AI tools, there are two ways to get your dream job. The first is entering a market with high demand and high supply, and the other is entering a market with high demand and very low supply. Where do you want to go? Well, I always choose the second option. Starting today, we are kicking off a series on prompt engineering. In this series, we will begin the basics and progress to the advanced, covering 9 modules with a very simple approach. I promise you that by the end of this series, you will have knowledge better than any course you could buy. So, from day 1, I will cover the whole basic questions like what prompt engineering is, what salary you can expect in India if you learn prompt engineering, and how you can improve your generating skills from LLM models. What is prompt engineering? First, let's look at the technical definition. Prompt engineering is like crafting the perfect question to get the best answer from a smart computer program. It's about using the right word and style to get the information you want. Definition in a simple way. Imagine you have a talking robot friend and you want it to do something or answer a question. The word you use to talk to robot friend are called a prompt. So prompt engineering is like figuring out the best way to ask your robot friend so that it understands you really well and gives you exactly what you want. It's like finding the perfect word to make your robot buddy super smart and helpful. Please comment below which definition is easy to understand for you. So I will make the content in that way. What fantastic benefits and opportunity awaits you when you delve into the prompt engineering. This domain opens doors to content generation, where you can use prompt engineering to generate diverse and engaging content for various platforms and companies who's spending a huge amount on advertising campaigns. Second, data science and analysis, where you can use the prompt engineering skills to analyze and extract meaningful insight from large data sets and contributing to data science projects. In consulting and freelancing, offers prompt engineering services as a consultant or a freelancer, helping businesses to optimize their interaction with AI models. And last but not least, software development, where you can apply prompt engineering in the development of application and system that leverage natural language understanding and such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language-based interfaces. Mastering prompt engineering can open the way for earning from 3.5 lakh to 15 lakh per annum and beyond in India. How you can generate the best result from LLM, where LLM is large language model and our buddy ChatGPT is also large language model. And in this series, we are understanding prompt engineering and apply our prompt strategy on ChatGPT. And now you are asking me why ChatGPT? Because we all are familiar with it. For the best result from ChatGPT or any text-to-text generating model, this 4-step formula will help you. Your first step is assigning role. Second is defining task and context. Third is set constraints. And the last is set expectations. On this formula, I already created detailed video with example for you. So you can click on the right side of the video. In the next video, I will discuss the 6 strategies for getting better result in this series module on from ChatGPT. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe this channel and ring the notification bell for the next video in this series. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.